Hello, Gerald. Hi. Can you listen to me?
Hello.
Hello. Okay. Let's start now ya. Okay. As your
I
home.
have homework. Can I share screen?
Okay. Okay. Share screen. Okay. I will set set. Oh, yeah. Just go ahead. Bisa kok, langsung kok. Just go ahead. Langsung aja. Ini Miss yang share screen, Miss yang screen share atau kamu?
I screen share. I have homework.
Okay. Just do your share screen share ya kan, langsung aja. Just go
Uh,
ahead.
this is chemistry.
I think kayaknya langsung deh. Sebentar, Miss coba cek dulu. Oke. 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 Let's do it together. Oke. Oke. Zinc reacts slowly with dilute sulfuric acid at room temperature. So it means that zinc plus sulfuric acid is H2SO4. H2 H2SO4. Miss, ini ya izin buat coret-coret ya. Zn plus H2SO4. Okay? And then what will be happen with this reaction, Miss? Okay? You have to know that Zn plus H2 plus SO4 is pojok with pojok. So it will be ZnSO4 plus H2. So you will have H2 or hydrogen as the gas on the productnya. Okay? Productnya is hydrogen. Okay, so what's the answer for these questions? Gas form in reaction is hydrogen. Hydrogen ya. Nah, this one. Okay, so which one, A or B, Miss? Okay, reason the reaction is faster. Copper acts as a catalyst. Copper is more reactive than zinc. So you have this one. When a small amount of copper is added, reaction is faster. So it means that copper is a catalyst. Catalyst with catalyst is one what is it, like one thing or one that not be reacted, jadi they can be reacted,
Mm,
so the answer is A. Okay, A. Copper as only as catalyst. Okay, the answer is A. So, ya, am I too fast, Gerard? Is it okay?
yes.
Okay, if I'm too fast, just tell me, yeah. Miss, I think it's too fast, I need to be slower. Okay. Okay, next you have solid copper, this one, CuCO3. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. Okay, so which change always increase the rate of this chemical reaction? Where is the product? The product is on the right side. Okay, and then where is the reacted? Okay, so what will be happen, like you have what is it, like timbangan, or like this one. Nah,
Mm,
or yeah, if you put some or add something in right side, you have to, nah. So in right side and left side, it has to be balanced. Yeah. Okay. Nah, it will be take or it will be throw to right side. Okay. Like you have, timbangan in Indonesia, timbangan like I said before,
mm,
or jungkit, right? This one. If you put on this, you have to add on this one also, yeah. So it will be balanced, right? Nah, okay. So if you want to take or you want to produce more in right side, you have to put more in left side. Okay. Okay. So one is right. And then number two, second statement, increasing size of the piece of copper carbonate. Where is the copper carbonate? The copper carbonate is on the left side. Like I said before, if you want to make right side, you have to put on the other side. Okay, so number two is also right. Yeah, okay, increasing temperature, but you have to choose one of them. Okay, you have to choose one of them, one or two, just one of them. We cannot put both of them. Okay, just choose one of them. If one, only one. If two, second statement, only two. Okay, and then increasing temperature. Increasing temperature means that you have to know the reaction is endotherm or exotherm. Okay, is exotherm or endotherm? Yeah.
Mm.
Next, and then Miss, so apakah sudah pasti Miss? Ya. So three is also right. Okay, three is also right. And then what's for four? How about
Mm.
four Miss? Fourth statement, volume of sulfuric acid. Where is the sulfuric acid? The sulfuric acid is on the left. Okay, so this one is right. Good. Yeah. So the answer is A. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You
Uh,
have to yeah.
is
Huh? Huh?
it's A.
Yeah. A. 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 Ah. Yes. Ah. A. Okay. Am I too fast, Gerard? So please remember,
No.
yeah. Okay. So please remember this one. If you have reaction, it's like nah. It's on the right side. It's on the right side as a product, and then on the left side, it's erected. Okay, erect. Okay. So if you want to make something from them in the left side or in the right side, you have to put more in the other side. Okay. Next, yeah. Next. The answer is A. Ah. Next. Number three. Number three. The mass of Baker and its content is plotted against time. Okay. Which graph represent what happens when sodium carbonate reacts with an excess dilute hydrochloric acid in open beaker. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah.
Uh,
So do
is
you,
it
yeah?
B?
Yeah, B. Why? Because it's a reacted, ya kan? React. Nah, produknya adalah hasilnya. Okay, so it's on the left side. On the left side, it will be more, nah, rejection. Okay, it will happens rejection in the left side, but in product, it will be more and more because we have to make produce. Produce. Okay, project. Okay, next we have to make some project. Next. Next, yeah, the answer is B. B, B, B. Sorry, B, 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 B. The answer is B. Nah, B. Next, Kirat. If I'm too fast, just tell me ya, Kirat. Yeah, I'm so sorry if I'm too fast. Next number, I will remove my yeah. Okay. Number, I think the number before this. Oh, okay. Next, next. Okay. First student collect the gas produced from the reaction of calcium carbonate. So the calcium carbonate is on the left side. Okay. And then with tube, okay, is on the left side. Calcium carbonate is CaCO3. And then plus hydrochloric acid. hydrochloric acid apa, Miss? What's hydrochloric acid? Hydrochloric acid is HCl. It's with Cl. Okay, next. Each student record the time taken to collect a volume of gas. Like I said before, if you have two, yeah, two gas or two liquid, yeah, this one corner with the corner, pojok with pojok. So it will make CaCl with H2CO3. It's called as carbonate acid. Okay. Next, which result show the highest average rate reaction? Highest. Highest means, nah, 90 centimeters gas collected in. So you have to 190 divided by 100. Okay. And then we have to calculate one by one. Which one is the biggest one? Okay. Okay. Which one is the biggest one? Volume divided by time. Volume divided by time. Okay. Volume divided by
Like
time.
this.
Yes, that's right. Yeah. Volume divided with the time. Okay. It's called as rate. So rate mean that sum or maybe amount of volume with some times with in times. Okay. Average rate is volume, right, divided by t. Okay, Gerard. And then
Okay.
this one you have to find the biggest one because we want to find the highest one. Okay, Gerard, got it? Got it?
Yes.
Okay. May use the calculator at your school or in manual way?
Yes.
Okay. If you can use calculator, just use your calculator, yeah. But if you cannot use calculator, we have to count it manually. Okay. Well, wait. Miss help you to count. Okay. It will be 0.9 and then C is mm, 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 0 point. Okay. Next 1.25 and then this one. Okay. So the answer is B, yeah. B. Okay. B.
I'm a bit confused.
Mm-mm. Confused? Okay. This one for 50 divided by 40. So it will be 1.25, right? Oh, sorry. Wait. I will 1 point. Wait. Oh, I think it's correct. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Just find what's the biggest one from V or volume divided by T. It's called as rate. Okay. Rate in Indonesia, we call it as debit. Debit. Ya, debit. Ya, debit rate. Itu adalah kecepatan. Speed. Speed from what, Miss? Speed. Speed in our daily use. Speed is meter per second, right? Nah, but in chemical, meter, year, change to volume. Okay. So the highest one or the biggest one is B. Yeah. Next, yeah. Next. Got it, Gerard? Am I
Okay.
too fast? Okay. If you want to, you want me to slower, just tell me, yeah, Gerard, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Zinc granules are reacted with excess dilute. Okay. Zinc What's zinc symbol? Zn, right? Nah. Next. Volume of hydrogen, right? Okay. Experiment 2, experiment 1. Which change to the condition was made in experiment 2? Yeah. What happened with
Mm-hmm.
experiment 2 and experiment 1? Experiment 1, we can get more concentration, more volume, okay, more product. So it means that the concentration hydrogen was reset. No, yeah. If I write in the reaction, I write reaction this one. H2 plus ZnCl. Okay, and then hydrogen is increasing, increasing. So if you have right side increase, the left side also have to be increase. Okay. So which one that in the left side, on the left side is increased to A? No. Decrease? No. The size of the granules of zinc decrease? No. So which one? The answer is C. Increase. Okay. Okay. Is there any questions? No? Why, Miss? Why
Mm-hmm.
the surface area of strings can help the reaction? Because you know, uh, have you ever see water? Why if some water spill on the floor, we have to, what is it like? Maybe in Indonesia lap. Nah, because semakin besar, larger area, it will helps some reaction to be faster. Okay, surface area will helps you to make some reaction faster. Okay, next ya.
Okay.
Got it? Do you have any questions? No?
No.
No, okay. Lanjut. Magnesium powder reacts with an excess dilute hydrochloric acid to produce hydrogen gas. Okay. Which statement about this reaction are correct? Okay. The smaller particles of magnesium powder, the slower hydrogen is produced. No, like I said before, yeah. The smaller surface area, it will helps you to make some project faster. Okay, so the one statement one or first statement is wrong. Yeah, next. The higher temperature, the faster magnesium powder disappear. We don't know that it's exotherm or it's endotherm. Okay,
Mm.
so we have to find the other statements because we never know that it's exotherm or endotherm. The lower concentration of dilute hydrochloric acid to faster. Is it true? No. Why, miss? If in the left side, yeah, in the left side, we put this one is no. So the answer is 2 and 4. Okay. Is there any questions? No? No.
No.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. Like I said before, left side and right side. On the left side, it depends on the right side. Okay. Lanjut. Next. Okay. In which experiment has the metal completely reacted in the shortest time? Which one? Okay. It
Mm.
means that
Wait,
this
I'm
one,
reading.
yeah. Okay, this one you have to know what's the one that strongest acid. Okay, the strongest acid one is HCl or hydrochloric acid. Okay, and then granules and powder, they have different different on size. Powder is have surface area larger. Okay, the powder has larger surface area. So it means that larger surface area will help you, right? Yeah. So where's the answer? What's the answer? Copper or this
Mm.
one?
Uh,
This
uh,
one?
D.
D. D. D. D. D. The zinc is more reacted. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. Nah. Okay. Kirak, if you know how to make reaction to be equal?
No.
No? Oh, okay. Di sekolah belum ada? At your school? No.
Uh,
How
about
to
what?
make some reaction? Okay. Okay, next ya. Which statement explain this observation? Yeah, this one. The precipitate forms more quickly when the reactants are heated. It means that it's endotherm reaction. Yeah, if you have information, this one, reactants are heated, it means that it's endotherm. Endotherm. Okay. Which statement explain the observation? The reactant particles collide more frequently. Is it true? The
Uh,
reacting particles collide more frequently.
is it
Yes.
2
Yes.
and 3?
Yeah, it's 2 and 3. That's right. Yeah. Because it's an endotherm. Okay. If it's an exotherm, the first statement is true. Okay. Okay, Miss. Okay. Is there any questions? No?
No.
Next. Next. Yeah. The effect of increasing temperature on a reaction shown. Where is the reaction?
Mm, Uh,
Or maybe like it's from before. Iya nggak sih? Kayaknya dari pertanyaan sebelumnya ya, sepertinya ya mungkin ya. Mungkin
I
harusnya
don't
ada.
know.
I think it has to make or you have to have there is no some reaction. Maybe it's from the reaction on the last questions. Mungkin ya. Tapi kayaknya enggak ya. Harusnya ada ya reactionnya ya. On the reaction are shown. Okay. Okay. The activation energy becomes lower. It means that it has to be or is it like berkaitan ya, nyambung connected like maybe first statement is connected with third statement or two is connected with three. Yeah.
Mm.
There are more collisions which have energy greater than energy activation energy. There are more collision between reacting particles. The particles move faster. Okay. I think it's true deh. I think it's from your last question's direction.
Mm.
Ah, yeah, endotherm tadi. I think it's from the endotherm reaction before. This one. Nah. Okay. So if temperature is increase, okay, the particles move faster, right? Yeah. So number two is right. Okay. Next Miss, two or three or four, ya kan? There are more collisions between reacting. Okay. What's the correct statement? Except two, three. Is it right?
Uh,
Three, three, or four. Three and four is right. Three and four, right. The more collisions which have great energy greater than activation energy. What does it mean, Miss? It means that have energy greater than activation energy. It means that you have to need more energy. Yeah, that's right, because it's endotherm reaction. Okay, so you have to put more energy to make some project. Okay. C, Gerard, C. C. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay.
Mm.
Which two pieces of apparatus are more useful to measure the rate of reaction in which a gas is given off? Okay.
A.
Yes, right. Okay. What is the relationship between temperature and rate reaction? Okay. This one confirms that the lower, the lower, this one, the lower it needs more temperature. So it means that the more or the, what is it, like the higher temperature, it will be make the rate be lower. Okay, the higher temperature can make the rate be lower. Okay, got it? Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So it means that it's an endotherm reaction. Okay? Okay. Yeah, endotherm reaction means that if you put higher temperature, it will make the rate be faster. Yeah, the rate be, okay. Sorry, it's
So
exotherm.
B.
Exotherm. Sorry, it's exotherm. Mister balik ya. Kalau endotherm, if endotherm, it will be, nah. Okay, the rate is more slower. It means that more slower, smaller. Okay, the higher temperature will make the rate slower. So it's the rate decreases, the temperature increases. Okay. Okay, the answer is A. Yeah, the rate decreases as the temperature increases. A. Okay, next. Yeah. Sorry ya, Gerard. It's A. Okay. Next. Okay. Which change decrease the rate of reaction between magnesium and air?
Mm.
Which change decrease the rate?
Uh, 1 and 2.
Yeah, one and two. Why? Why one and two? Because
Uh,
magnesium and air has O2, right? Yeah. Okay, one and two, right? Mm-mm-mm. Betul. No. Wait. Heating the magnesium to higher. Can you scroll again into last questions? The last questions? The last questions? Nah, it's for, oh no. It's for the, okay. Okay, bawah. Nah, this one. Using a higher proportion of oxygen in the air. Change decrease the rate reaction between magnesium is Mg. Mg plus O2 heating the magnesium to higher temperature. The higher proportion of oxygen in the air. Okay, decrease. Is it number two right? No, because we want to make, or we need decrease of the magnesium. So it means that you didn't want, or you don't want to make some projects. Okay, you
is
just,
it D?
yeah, it's a D, right? Okay, yeah, D. Next. Okay. Mm. Number, I don't know. What's the number? Okay, just go ahead, yeah. Next. This one. The experiment took place too quickly for measurement to be made. which change could be made to slow down the reaction? The reaction is about the when 1 grams of solid X reacts with 100 centimeters solution Y. Okay, slow down. So we didn't need some catalyst. Okay, and then means decrease the concentration.
Uh,
Mm-mm.
is it B?
Yeah, B. Is it B? Why B means B is solution. Solution and solid. The fastest one is the solid. Sorry, the solution. Okay, but so for solid, solid will be faster if it's on the powder. Okay, okay, but it's not a powder, it's a granule. It's not faster as solid. It's for solid. Okay, so if solid is granule in a granule size, it's not as faster as the powder one. Okay, so the answer is B. Okay, next.
So B.
Yeah, B. Next, this one. Which time is rate of direction greatest? Greatest one means that the okay. So what's the number? 100 divided by
6 seconds.
yes. Okay. Is it 6? No, Gerard. 100 divided by 10. This one. Nah, greatest. Okay. Greatest. Greatest. Yes. So the answer is D. Yeah, the greatest one is the peak of the reaction of the volume. The peak one of the volume. Okay, so the answer is D. Okay, and the maximal volume divided by maximal time. Okay, next. Mm-mm-mm. I will remove my okay. Nah, this one. Have you ever know how to make some reaction how to be equal in coefficient?
Mm, I'm very confused about this one.
Okay. Okay. Let's try it together, yeah, Gerald. It's hydrochloric acid, magnesium ribbon. What's magnesium ribbon means? Magnesium ribbon is mm, mm, mm. What's magnesium ribbon? What's the symbol of
Uh,
magnesium ribbon? Mm,
MG.
mm, mm, Mg, yeah. Magnesium ribbon is logam magnesium in Indonesia. So Mg plus HCl. It will make nah. Okay, but you have to make this reaction become equal. Okay, become equal. Okay, Mg. This one coefficient for Mg is 1. So it also 1. And then for H2. But for H2 means for hydrogen, it's 2 on there. So we have to put the number 2 in in front of H. Okay, so it will make the Cl, ya kan, chloric will be 2, will be twice. So we have to put 2 in here. But Mg also become 2 means put these 2 in here. Okay, that's how to make reaction become equal. Okay, then next, 2 more. So it means that you have 2 more on here. Okay, and then means then which condition increase the rate of reaction? Increase the rate of reaction. Which one?
Mm,
2 in HCl. Okay, and then produce-nya all other condition are kept the same. Okay, So the more volume on the HCl will make products will be bigger. Okay, will be make more product. Okay, so the highest one is 3. Okay, why means increase the rate of reaction. Okay, but if you have this one, if you have magnesium ribbon, yeah, 1, so you have to find which one that make it exist, or which one the excess one. It's for Mg or it's for HCl. You have to find which one is the excess. Okay, if you have 2 on these questions, but it's only have 1, so just put it 2 in here. Okay, and then plus with some number. Which one make it more greater? Okay, next. Next ya. Next. Next, Gerard. The next number.
Okay.
Okay, this one. Nah. Which statement must be correct? Yeah. Because it didn't have anything about the temperature, we can say this one endothermic or exothermic. Okay. And then this one, you have the measuring cylinder. It means that you can check it's for count the amount of gas. So the answer is C. It's like a barometer, barometer, measuring cylinder, like one, what is it, like one things that will help you to find what's the volume of gas. Have you ever studied about barometer or about what is it, like, apa itu namanya ya? Lah kayak ini, tekanan. Nah, tekanan. Okay, so it will help you to find what's the pressure. Pressure is for gas. So the answer is C. Okay. Next. Okay, the rate of reaction depends on the temperature, concentration. That's right. Okay, particle size and catalyst. Not correct. Catalyst, it's true. So it's not the answer. We have to find the false one. Okay, so it's not the answer.
I think it's
Yeah.
B.
Yeah, B. B or D? B?
B.
B, B, B. B is for pig, yeah. B, yeah, right. That's right. Next. Okay. Nah, a sample of dilute nitric is added to the lamps of limestone. Okay. Okay. The loss in mass in 1 minute at each concentration of nitric acid is shown. Okay. Which row describe and explain the result obtained using 1 mole per dm cubic nitric acid compared by, okay, concentration and loss mass. Okay. 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 It means that the concentration will be bigger, and then the mass also be bigger. Why, miss? Why? Kok bigger? No, bigger loss in mass. Okay. Describe in reaction. Explanation. Decrease. Okay. What's the answer? Which row describe and explain the result obtained one, okay, compared by, okay, jadi gini. If you have 0.5, it will be make 0.15 loss. But if you have 1 mole, you have to loss 0.25. Okay. So what did happen, Miss? Description-nya increase reaction rate? Yeah. Why, Miss? The more grams losses, the more mass losses. Okay. This one. How to know, Miss? From 0.15 and 0.25. Which one is bigger? This one? Bigger, right? Yeah. So the bigger loss, it means that the reaction also have more reaction rate. So the answer is, kalau enggak C, D. Ya, D. Dia. That's right. Okay. Next. Temperature. Okay. Effect. Yeah. We have to use thermometer because we want to check. Yeah, we want to check some temperature. So we need thermometer. What about
Stopwatch?
Yes, that's right. So the answer is D. That's right. Mm-mm-mm.
I'm confused in this one.
Okay. When a piece of marble is added to the bubbles of carbon dioxide gas are given off. Which method is used to find the rate of reaction? Measuring, okay. If it's bubbles, okay,
Mm.
we can find the diameter of bubble gas because it's so different. It have to more variety. Okay, so not diameter, but this one not counting too. Measuring the time taken for gas to be collected. So the answer is D. Okay. Okay.
I'm still a
Uh,
bit confused.
Confused why gitu ya? Because bubbles, right? You know, bubble. Nah, this one. We cannot find the diameters of bubbles because they have so many bubbles on here. So the diameters is not okay. Okay, and then if C, what about the C, Miss? Okay, if for C is which the gas bubbles rise upwards the true acid. It means that the bubbles is on the top of the acid. How you find it? Top. Di sini juga bisa top. And then di sini juga bisa top. So we cannot find this one. Okay. Okay. Counting of the number, Miss. Counting of the number. Wait. I will give you some pictures. Yeah. May I send the pictures?
Okay.
Okay. Oh ya, Gerard. Salam kenal ya. Miss dengan Miss Francisca, okay? If you want to ask about your homework, just tell me on the chat, or maybe you can tell me on the chat, or maybe you can just chat me directly, okay? I mean that misalkan mau langsung tanpa lewat mama juga nggak apa-apa, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oke, next. Ya, next. Oh, ini udah kan? Belum ding. Next. Oke. On the several questions ago, ya kan? We have know that it means that you have more carbon dioxide produce. Okay, so it means that, but the temperature in the same. Okay, so it means that you don't need some change, some change in temperature. Okay, so which one?
Mm,
Collision rate, collision energy, which one? The higher one, collision rate, particles, 2 compared with 1. 2 compared with 1. What happened with 2? With 2? With 2 more,
mm,
it more reactionnya berlebih ya. The rate reaction is higher than 1. Okay, so the collision rate is higher or lower?
uh,
Higher, right?
lower.
Mm, Okay, the answer is
Mm,
what
higher.
collision rate? Collision rate is in Indonesia, it's called as laju tumpukan or laju reaksi. It means that it's reaction rate. Collision rate is reaction rate. Collision rate is reaction rate. So the higher one will make the collisions more higher too. So the answer
Higher.
is, yeah, the answer is B. But for activation energy, they are so different. Okay? Okay, Miss. Next. Mm, mm, mm. Next. Okay. In an experiment, nitric acid is added. Okay. Marble chip and the volume of carbon dioxide form is measured. Okay. The experiment is repeated using smaller marble chips. All others conditions remain the same. Which statement about the second experiment is correct? Hmm. Nitric acid added and the volume is measured. Okay, so it means that nitric acid is HNO3 plus some marble chips. Nah, kita nggak tahu nih partikelnya apa. We don't know exact the reaction one, the react one. Okay, but you know that the product is CO2. Yeah. So, which statement about the second experiment is correct? The collision are more frequent the higher energy, right? Collision are same frequency, the same energy. No. The more collision rate, the higher one is make the energy higher too. So the answer is A. Okay. The answer is A. Okay. The collision are more frequent. It means that the collision rate increase, the energy also increase. So you need more energy. Okay, Gerard? Okay. So the
Okay.
answer is A. Collision rate mean reaction rate. Okay. If you want to make something become more interactive, you have to put some energy, right?
Yes.
Okay. What's the time to over? Maybe like um, 2 minutes or 3 minutes again. Next, yeah. Next, zinc granule are reacted with excess dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay. Hydrogen experiment 1 has more volume of hydrogen. Experiment 2, last one. Okay. Which change to condition was made in experiment 2? Hmm. Perubahannya yang mana? Which change? The size?
Uh,
No. Nah, surface area? No. The size was decreased? The temper was increased? No. We don't know the exact reaction, yeah. Is it endotherm or exotherm? So what's the answer? It's A. Okay, A. The less reaction, the less product. Okay, reaction, the less reaction, the less product. The more reaction, the more product. Okay, just like I said before. Okay. I think one more questions, yeah, Gerard, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, next. But if you want to the other one, you can send to your mother, and then I will correct again. Okay, I will check it again, recheck again. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Next, solid calcium carbonate reacts. What solid carbonates? CaCO3. Carbonates is CO3. So if you have carbonate acid, it means that H2CO3. Okay, reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is HCl. Okay, and then outer with outer, inner with inner. Okay, so you will have CaCl plus H2. Nah, okay. Which change to the reaction condition increase. Increase means that you have to put more in the reactant one, right? Yeah. And then what happened with the surface area means also we have to increase too. Okay, so the answer is D. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So for the liquid one, we have to make the concentration higher. But for the solid one, we have to make the particle size become little or become fewer. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think it's enough for today, Gerard. Yeah. Thank you for your coming, and uh maybe we can meet again ya at next week. Ya, terima kasih Gerard. See you.
Bye,
Bye.
guys.